Are you ready to transform your kitchen? We're diving into the top 5 best-selling kitchen gadgets of 2025, the tools you didn't know you needed. Let's get started. Number 1, Etekcity Food Kitchen Scale. Looking for precision in the kitchen? The Etekcity Food Kitchen Scale is a must-have tool for anyone serious about cooking, baking, or weight management. With a durable 304 stainless steel surface, it's not just sleek, it's also easy to clean and built to last. This scale measures in both grams and ounces, making it perfect for everything from portion control to measuring baking ingredients with extreme accuracy. The LCD display is bright and easy to read, and the tare function lets you subtract the weight of containers, super helpful when using bowls or plates. Whether you're on a keto diet, prepping meals, or just want consistent results, this scale delivers. It supports up to 11 pounds, has high-precision sensors, and comes with batteries included. Compact and lightweight, it fits easily in your kitchen drawer or cabinet. Number 2, Amazon Basics Digital Kitchen Scale. Affordable, reliable, and sleek, that's the Amazon Basics Digital Kitchen Scale. Perfect for everyday use, this compact scale weighs up to 11 pounds 5 kilograms and is ideal for portion control, meal prep, and baking. Its stainless steel and black finish gives it a modern look that fits into any kitchen style. The LCD display is clear and easy to read, and the tare button is super handy when measuring ingredients in a bowl. It lets you subtract the container weight for accurate readings. What makes it even more user-friendly? It comes with batteries included, so you're ready to go right out of the box. While it's more budget-friendly than some premium models, it doesn't compromise on performance. The sensor is responsive, and it quickly adjusts to changes in weight. Lightweight and slim, this scale is easy to store when not in use. If you're looking for a no-fuss, dependable kitchen scale for everyday cooking or diet tracking, this Amazon Basics model delivers great value and quality. Number 3, Alpha Griller's Meat Thermometer Digital. When it comes to cooking meat just right, accuracy is everything, and the Alpha Griller's digital meat thermometer nails it. This instant read thermometer gives you precise temperature readings in just 3 to 4 seconds, saving you time and preventing overcooked meals. It's perfect for grilling, baking, smoking, or even frying, and works well with meats, baked goods, or even oil and candy temperatures. The foldable stainless steel probe is sharp and easy to insert, while the large backlit LCD screen ensures visibility even in low light or at night while barbecuing. Plus, it's IP67 waterproof, meaning you can rinse it under running water without worry. It even has a calibration feature, auto shut-off, and a magnetic back for easy storage on your fridge or grill. Highly rated and incredibly affordable, this is one gadget every home cook and grill master should own. If you're serious about flavor and food safety, Alpha Grillers has you covered. Number 4, Ninja Fit Compact Personal Blender. Meet the Ninja Fit Compact Personal Blender, your on-the-go solution for smoothies, shakes, and food prep. With a powerful 700-watt base, this personal blender crushes ice and frozen fruits in seconds. It comes with two 16-ounce cups and spout lids, making it easy to blend and go. Whether you're meal prepping or making post-workout smoothies, Ninja delivers speed and convenience in a compact, durable design. Dishwasher-safe parts for quick cleanup. Number 5, Cuisinart Mini Prep Food Processor. Small but mighty, that's the Cuisinart Mini Prep Food Processor, DLC-2ABC. With a 3-cup capacity, it's ideal for chopping, grinding, and pureeing small batches of food fast and efficiently. The brushed chrome and nickel design gives it a premium look, and the size is perfect for apartments, small kitchens, or quick tasks like prepping garlic, herbs, nuts, or baby food. Its reversible stainless steel blade lets you switch between chopping and grinding with just a press of a button. One side is sharp for soft foods like tomatoes or herbs, and the other is blunt for harder items like nuts and seeds. With simple push-button controls, anyone can use it, no learning curve at all. The work bowl, lid, and blade are all dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. Whether you're making salsa, pesto, or grinding spices, this mini food processor is efficient, reliable, and backed by the trusted Cuisinart name. A compact solution for quick kitchen jobs that saves you both time and effort. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to USA Tech Picks for more reviews.